Right, yama etifo ne adofo nyina so akwaba emfamra dwumadie so yɛtena so once again yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ ɛnso etimi afa the transfers ɛno so etimi kɔ so ɛwɔ Ghana ana afei team a yɛfrɛ no sɛ Akrato Folk nneɛma pia no so etimi kɔ so ɛnso ɛwɔ mu nɛnɛ ɛbɛ 90% ɛnso yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ nso afa ho ɛwɔ team a yɛfrɛ no sɛ Akrato Folk akyɛsɛ no nso ɛnyɛ easy nti tamechuku na afei tie nsɛmpa no na yɛmfa nsɛmpa no so ntimi famra ha Charles Ado TV on YouTube, Charles Ado TV on TikTok, Charles Ado on Facebook nsa nso betimi akan na bibia nso no etimi akoso kama subscribe share for comment no nso timi to comment section fama yɛn haseɛ enso intimi free heart to folk as we said ye kan no na afei entoatoa so enso emfa nsɛm no enso mfama tie fo ye ha said ye heart to folk uwram enso ɛwɔ ne yɛfa no sɛ defensive midfield enso ho position no she say ne yɛkɔ so ɛne sɛ heart to folk atɔ mo nsa ɛde afre player baako a ne din enso ne yɛfa no sɛ Abdul Karim, a defensive midfielder, no snakai edema club a fan say a Nations FC and so El Kumasi. Nenra and a Koba say Nations FC and so and Abdul Karim and so et me apart ways. Na ebra both parties, and so et me part ways, not just say Ubija Wuno, no be come swide papa had to folk and so et me at 2 months and so it me at the fray player your funny say Abdul Karim say only tima your funny say nations intimate to us but now you're free agent that to folk you be a come and also with me abba now free and I just say no your Friday negotiation and so it me assassin dino how to folk and so and Abdul Karim and so ebeshe negotiation ase na che say unim player na onhwe player ne da we fantastic player mo ma hwe Ghana Premier League mo no a che say omunim player no ohunu se player na asema make na no kre oni ball ne bopa and so a che say ye de ne ho nsem no and so etimi epa na bibia so tima koso afei yenko different player uko player ye fa ne say eye me pacho Solomon Agwesi maka Solomon Agwesi nsɛm na ka na she said they finally abrewan so atimi ayi poma kwan mu akyɛ sɛ bibia nso atimi I successful na Solomon Agwesi no they say ne yakɔso no sa how to folk any player no so atimi arrange agreement bibia nso no atimi akɔso kama na nyampo a next week akyɛ sɛ August yes me ne first August no next week and I just say medicals and so bit me a coso na she say Solomon Agwesi abesign so pass medicals na abesign contract e de amatima friend say Akrato Folk na bibia so no etima koso ndo benya Benjamin Asare Solomon Agwesi I just say is a Ghana the goalkeepers in the master Solomon Agwesi be ka Benjamin Asare ho dia Heart to Folk don't go there and so sema kana so na yet say a 3 years contract say koba say player no and so it may pass in medicals na 3 years contract and then penny force betu nanim ama Solomon Agwesi and so it me assign a day amatima your friend say Akrato Folk Solomon Agwesi eba no na kwasin ketia so 8 me eko wati ase maka che say kwasin ketia de no Heart to Folk hwe ne mo say player no and so ebitimi a renewal contract I say negotiation no is still ongoing na after so renewal contract na Heart to Folk and so etimaja no kopiem Hoho United na obeko as a loan player nti no kwakobo loan e de amatima friend say Hoho United nti okobo loan na che say bibia nso no etimi akwaso kama e de amana ye de ehon nsam Europe and so etimi eba na mokai former player de matima ye friend say Akrato Folk William Denchi Ntori na player no so as ewuram what team e fan say Aduana say Aduana FC for so etimi assign a William Denchi na William Denchi de no the pacho 2 years contract and also so etimi assign till 2027 e de ama ojama Aduana FC and also so etimi ekoso say yete ehon sam no so etimi eba ana afei so no owuram so a player your friend say Asamoah Boateng free na Asamoah Boateng free ɛnso ɛtumi ɛwuram ɛwɔ team a yɛfrɛ no sɛ Brekum Chelsea. Na Brekum Chelsea for no so no sisei no due to one or two reasons nti no player yɛfrɛ no sɛ Asamoah Boateng ɔmo ntumi nsign no ama kyerɛ sɛ Asamoah Boateng no ɛnso so ɛntumi move to team a yɛfrɛ no sɛ ɛyɛ Brekum Chelsea nti saa deal no ɛnso ɛyɛ offer no so ɛntumi ama so ɛwɔ team a yɛfrɛ no sɛ Brekum Chelsea ɛne Asamoah Boateng deal no mu a yɛde ɛho nsɛm no ɛnso ba ne nsɛm no yɛbɔ no pa de ama wo na wo deɛ no so ɛtumi ɛkɔ na yɛnkɔ Kwame Opariado aso yɛ ɔno ɛyɛ communication director ɛde ma team a yɛfrɛ no sɛ Accra to Folk na Kwame Opariado na akasa na onim sɛ nneɛma pii na so ɛtumi kɔ so na Kwame Opariado nsɛm a ɔka no bi ɛne sɛ ɔsɛ ɔno hwɛ team a yɛfrɛ no sɛ Hearts of Folk onyambo a 2025-2026 season no Hearts of Folk Jesse a kyesa mo bɛhyɛ ɛde abɔ season no master woyɛ fan na hu sɛ Jesse ne wobɛba wɔ num master sɛ wogyina kaa kwa mu mpo na wanhwɛ wobɛgyina ma kaa bɔ because Jesse no ɛfɛ Jesse no ɛyɛ adeɛ ɛfɛ no sɛ ɛyɛ wow a kyesa hu a ɔso ɛne bɛgye nkotie nsɛm a Kwame Opariado ɛnso so ɛtumi ɛkaeɛ.
Maestro, I'm saying me no one nkɔmmɔ 2 seasons ago. They were the first to also come out with their jerseys. I told you the same early morning interviews that when we come out, everybody will marvel at us. And indeed, when we came out, everybody saw the kind of jerseys that we wore. Last season, I mentioned the same. Maestro, what I can tell you is that if our training jerseys are a piece of excellent work, everybody appreciates it, then you should tell everybody that the kind of creation I come into the jersey itself, Maestro, when it comes, I know even every opponent will appreciate it because we do the exact thing to ensure that the last season near level 1 we have to move to level 2 and level 3 so that we continue to improve and then and your supporters something positive to cheer about and to give them the bragging right. And when it lands, we will let everybody get to know about it.
And this time, I bet they're being Branda, a striker now Puma, and I said,
well, Maestro, in our package, that was the last season, the jerseys that we wore, they were from Peanut Sport. But now, what we are telling everybody is that what we are doing in terms of the brand, in terms of the colorfulness of it, in terms of the unveiling style, everybody will love it and people will appreciate it very well.
Okay. Tian copy that being.
My students, League the that is 10th September. But we are hoping that in Kabusuma, Yesumi, that is this month, BBR, according to what we have planned, we'll have to be able to do this before, say, September, so that we can give our supporters some space to also have some of the jerseys and Sana League in Ashase.
And to more kete more last a year season, a woman a kete. They said the Kotoko, the hoop brand, no, Momo, the Momo, young woman, woman, a bar out with a very different design, no matter kete this season. And to when a young kit sponsor now.
Maestro, I will give the same response again. The kit sponsor, including the type of kit and all of that, we intend to announce all at the same go at a colorful ceremony.
And we a new kit sponsor about on board, right?
Yes, that's right.
Foreign kit sponsor, and I say Luca.
Maestro, I had to say everybody will appreciate it and everybody will love what they will see and everybody will want to go for the kind of jerseys that we will produce.
And watching Ebusa Kwame Opariado says, he said, who's a clubs in the sign players? I just say, now how to folk mono saying a more sign. And I watch him say, how to folk original. When you 3 players, na enche, Mbabe Kanebum, or more share club be, and I say clubs be, and so signing some money, Enkusia and Fanquay signers, Yentie and Sama Opariado at the Tuja.
Maestro, so far, let me say that we have been very, 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 very busy and competitive in the transfer market. We brought in Ali Mohammed from Vision FC, who is also a defender, the same centre back area, and then Prince Owusu, former player of Gold Stars, who is a forward and as a striker. That aside, the club is very much doing business in the transfer market. And it's my culture there. And check, there will be some announcements that will be coming as well in terms of new players that will be joining the team. Because those that identify a bit me what he intends to do or what he intends to achieve with the club. We are working on a strong way for him. For and has a followers and say and yes, service will be out of 10, 15, 20 years. Then we also have to buy the safe. So he knows our needs, and the needs are what he's penciled down, and that's exactly what the management is working on. In Tenche, we'll also be bringing you some announcements. Then we will all get to know the exact number that will bring in the augmented squad going forward.
Okay. All right, and no kwame parado and someone to get the one some and so ever. Nano then okoba say tima and I say Ghana Football Association ra arches okoba say ket yes or kreku and so the koba say clubs na omusoma kind edema tima and I say Ghana Premier League number yebeshe season as obia ebenya 1 million Ghana cedis arches no enkanisika 10 billion. Now on so etimda share season as no ana kwama parade sisan nyema na chese Ghana Football Association ayeno omani so papa yenti ensema kwama parado edituja.
This is a meeting and this is a ceremony that was done yesterday. In fact, the 1 million comes as a very positive step. We should be a clubs in feedback. We should be a and I will share the amount Abana Maestro. I think that we all have to appreciate the FA. They have done their very best in ensuring that even though football running, when you 10 million, when you 20 million, when you 50 million, I mean, the season but if you are able to get this to cushion you, Maestro, I think it will go a very long way to make a positive impact on the clubs as well. It is something that we are all hoping that maybe I do from 1 million subsequently will work, get better, and to get much higher rewards and as a sponsorship from the FA as well. Then as a club and also then the cry wouldn't be as much as an empty system.
And of course, so Mutai creating a lot of competition in this particular league season, because depending on the position, I bet that's what league log, and also it comes with huge sums of money, like President Ikano.
Yes. Last season, there was a similar thing. There will be the first, second, third. I think it was up to 10th position.
Up to 10th, yeah.
Yes. So if this season it is going to be higher than that, it means that the system and as the FA recognizes the need to continue to support hard work. Then that I want to be first, I want to be second, I want to be third. You fall within the areas that you'll be able to make money, just like we see in the English Premiership and other places. Then you know when you're 1 million, or that support one they do baby. When your maestro be a sponsor, one more baby kakra, or they could do baby. Then at the end of the season, also what's in your baby kakra from the position you ended up, and also more baby kakra. And is able to help you right at the end of the season. Say be a person immediately you are able to you can use that money to go and do something. Even though there are other responsibilities, it helps a lot. So it's a positive step, and we are all hoping that jumping from 1 to 2, when the next season that will come, after this season, it will continue to work higher. But it all means that the clubs, all of us, will have to continue to work very well to make the brand very much attractive. Obiba for announce the same production house because what we brought on board, the benefit that we also had when the clubs are also making demands for an improvement from 1 million to say 2 million and another 3 million and to a higher level. Yes, the demand, it is befitting. So we should give it to them to understand. To be very honest, I have to get those details, then I'll give it to you. Because me and Pese, Mabeka, Bibi are different from what exactly has to happen. So that I put something in the wrong perspective.
I mean, 1 million Ghana cedis in the okay, but yes, a woman the own guy.
Master,
I don't know, dear, no one the okay, the number of years in the one kai won't pay to that.
Oh, Master, this is not something that is difficult at all. You know, because we are mentioned in the next 2-3 minutes, I can send it to you by WhatsApp.
Okay, and you're making up because I'm out for Kasawe. We had the involvement of a buying chief of staff for Tiho Minister Kasa Abain. You're committed in supporting our clubs. No, dear, as if you can, if you are buying Honaba, Munya that impression.
Well, Maestro, the only thing is that if Abain has supported the development of footballer, I don't see anything that is wrong with that because like I say, Abain and supported the development of something. That's it. We say we don't think that Abain and supported in the development of football is also right. I mean, for me, I don't see anything wrong with that. Just that Abain and supported, you know that Abain and supported. If in a seeking sponsorship, if in a seeking sponsorship, say if in a diaba, that's Abain is in support, and Abain also appreciates it. That's a Abain will hobby, and the thing is happening. I don't see anything wrong with that. But in this case, let me say that we have to give credit to the FA. They have worked for it, and the clubs must appreciate it.
We may be shy because we kind of manifesto John Dramani Muhammad buy, you know. So Kase or promises of my clubs no seek or be invested. What you say our clubs no more. And in say be a investment now no more na asa kon wan fa APL for no aba. I was say it to me.
It's possible that it's possible. I'm not saying that is it. It's possible that it be a bit my friend Maestro. You are a company. We want you to go and help in the football development. So get to the FA, or we are letting the FA come to you, speak to you, and see how best you can help. It's also a form of help from Abai, because who work on who person we hear directly from your own way la in FA and now my FA sponsorship to help you. But if Abai is able to tell you that look, we will give you some tax waiver and I say A, B, or C. So go and help here. That's all. I think that it's a very effort.
Okay.
Okay, Maestro. I'll plead it to again. Oh, man, just 1 minute, 2 minutes. I'll get all of those facts for you. But the best I do.
Okay, Mate. And then, my main Bailey, we're now there 2 minutes in my main train. Why? That's a guy. Come up.
Okay, and some kind of sweet me Coach Abubakar Watara. Former coach at the team friend Sacrato Folk. Na ono so etima kasa ene nsema wodo pina so etima twitwa a chese bi fa Ghana Football Association enso dwumadi a chese omo so edi ne no kasa e da foyenti ensem a coach no e de twitwa.
First of all, the government and Ghana Football Association as is take the first step.
Okay.
On say unyawa e better than zero. Na me say here say you compare Ghana scene ni another scene.
Okay.
The new economic scene, but for the responsibility of the countries, not some time. But on say Morocco and sporadic and spontaneous assembly a law. The core parliament, the Moria core parliament are put out for this is in their premier division team to the second division. I want to be on the mom and some amateur teams, you know. So ladies game also but that first step in Ghana me encouragement will be she said maybe by next season or make my increase you have more teams, you know. Nothing so good accountability when a good system of the accountant, the mouse scout, the fire baby, and yes, the show Butuma, all the Cocha, car, would be a Jumana myself football equipment. Yama Biantias, and she said, son of a boy, but then you're bad. And to me, got endorse, but a better. So far on the C5 54 million.
Yeah.
54 million.
Okay.
We call dollars 95 point something. $1,000. The rest ma akata to Kobe. What you say?
Yeah.
That the Ghana Football Association government member about so continue slowly increase the coin. Can't FIFA for prices no. The chance no increase I think it's not bad.
Okay.
Let's give me that a year but a year and in Ghana and that the clubs no most support this someone to say you're watching and you might be it's not possible.
Okay.
Okay. We say World Cup club in the call. I'm saying teams be big one na coffee. And you talk as no no continue. What do I say?
Okay.
But we are saying story be only say African Football League. The initial name is the Super League. Yes, that is African Football League. Kotoko is part of the list. At the end of the day, you are free because Kotoko Omuko means a Brazilian coach Omuko training ground.
Okay.
I go panel or that kind of the as to be able. Now, I say, I'm always say, as always, to go back to wait for Kotoko. Now, nobody can say me. Malini no vice chairman for the African Football League or captain say, Real Bamako Bebo match how ni as a folk. After the match, almost say executive CEO car in CEO Ben or that time another. Almost say now we need about outer. So that be only power so beba.
Okay. Matthias,
that violence not it's not but it's a period, but a year is totally 10 years. It must sponsor be so say the image you have it on that the point. The net club news so
all right, and we are saying this with Yafi. Yen komo ewa Asante Kotoko asoye na uwuram ewa Asante Kotoko asoye so ane ekoso former Samates and so player fan say Evans Osewusu niete and say player no Asante Kotoko for and so any atimi abrache so mo pe winga no a che say mo hwe ne mu say ono so betimi abesan ediama team a fan Asante Kotoko mo so HAC boy no signature na bibia so no atimi akoso kama ede amatim efene sa Asante Kotoko ede won sam awdo piba na nda Asante Kotoko piem ewani ya efene se eye South Africa na omokobo friendly game na se tournament ya no so etimi koso cup no koso Toyota Cup Kotoko koji ate se sisi no omo ye champion and so na me pacho onwuro mo ne Kaizer Chiefs na koboye na that game na chese nye is a Camara master akwano na we brutal na we fantastic. I say goalkeepers man that day not say any easy. Na say nearby say Kaizer Chiefs for say master say goalkeeper fan say Camara na dey omo Kaizer Chiefs for nya na omo po. Nti omo nya brese Kotoko for emfa Camara enso emfa mo Camara Mohammed na nya Camara nko a omo say akona ne dim e de Samba Onar Ntongeni enso mo nya na omo so etimi epe ati ase ana face player fan say Albert Amwa enso so munya opera se nkofo no ama madwen se Kotoko players no dey say obi a onimbo bia no be fana ko acha se nti ye fana se Kaizer Chief omonya bre papa epe players o mo free team ye fana se Asante Kotoko so ekọ Africa nti se mehwe se Kotoko beja players wi mu edi ama team ye fana se Kaizer Chiefs ana se omo so ekọ Africa no na bibia so no etimi akoso eno se de so etimi na wonim se Asante Kotoko ɛnso ɛkɔ South Africa by na kɔmɔ hwɛ ne mu sɛ ɔmo so APM ɛwɔ ne yɛfrɛ no sɛ Cape Coast na ɔmo pre-season no so ɛtumi atoa so ɛwɔ Cape Coast na ne yɛba no Asante Kotoko no so no ɛnso so ɛtumi acancel ɔmo pre-season ɛbɛkɔ so wɔ Cape Coast no ɛnso ɛtumi ɛde ɔmo de ɔmo ani kyerɛ mu abɛyɛ pre-season no ɛwɔ AJ Sports Complex adakogya akye ɛhɔ na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo so bɛhwɛ na afɔ ɔmo so ɛtumi ayɛ ɔmo ne ɔmo friends ɔmo pre-season no ɛnso ɛtumi kɔpem sɛ kaka top 4 no ɛnso so bɛtumi aba so nti ɛno ɛyɛ ne yɛfrɛ no sɛ Asante Kotoko deɛ a ɛno so ɛtumi ba ɛde wɔn nsɛm ɛba nti no on this note yɛmfa nsɛm no nsi ɛnɛ ɛyɛ 1st August 2025 Nyankopɔn ɛde yɛtwa bosome ne nso ɛnso ɛtumi yɛbɔ mpaeɛ Nyankopɔn ɛmfa yɛn nyinaa so ɛntwa ɛyɛ bosome a wɔde asi mu ɔma bosome ɛnyɛ bosome a kyɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nkunimdie bosome ɔma bosome no ɛnso ɛnyɛ bosome a kyɛ sɛ yareɛ ɛne ɛyɛ akwanhyia biara nso so ɛnyɛ ɛyɛ bosome a kyɛ sɛ ɛbɛte asɛm dɛ nko a afei ɔmfa yɛntwa afe no ɛnso so ntimi Nyankopɔn ka ho ne dai na afei ɔmfa mfiri adom mu ɛnso so ɛnkɔ adom mu. Shalom, peace, bye bye.